So if you want to connect this into your Power BI, then you have an option. So basically you can go to your workspace here, and here on the dataset level, you click on here and you can create a report out of it. And if you want to connect to your existing data with this report, with these goals, that is also possible. You can also do that. Like we can combine multiple data sources into one, which is a composite model, and can build a report on top of that. Inside to this Power BI regular, not apart from this one. So let me first finish this one. So we have this everything, the value, status, scorecard, notes, and goals, everything here. And this consists of everything. We need to explore all these things here. Like if I'm adding a table here, you can see the idea of each and every goals here, and the status of each and every goal. If you need the status name, but we can't able to create any kind of measures or any kind of relationship between the tables. It is all, actually everything is pre-built. So we just need to consume whatever the options we have as of now. Scorecard created by. So these are the messages which I have typed over there. This is for an example, right? So this is the one way. And if you want to share this entire goals into a user one, then if you click here, then you will get this message. Even this can be done in Power BI desktop, right? You can connect to an existing one, or you can create a new scorecard. You click here, then it will just give you the list of available goals which we have. And if I select any of the goals, then this will give setup into this interface. This is cool actually. So back to report. So the interface what we have seen just before is everything is same here, but it is inside the Power BI desktop. So here also we can create Power BI goals inside Power BI desktop, but for that you need to enable this visual, which is in preview right now. Then only you can able to do that. Once you enable that visual in format option in Power BI desktop, you will get this icon. From there you can create the scorecard. So if you look at this one, this is actually a goal which it has this performance here. So for an example, this range starts from a value which is around 26.5, 26.7, and it goes below like 26.3. Right? This is actually a trend. So if you want to set up a kind of alert, that is also possible. For that, you need to have Power Automate. That is what here. So when a goal changes, for example, like the status owner and so on, when someone adds edit or check-ins, when an owner assigned to a goal, when data refresh for a goal fails. These are triggers as of now what we have. For that, we need to create Power Automate. You can track, but the thing is you need to create a connected goals, and whenever the Power BI data set, what the exact actual data set gets refreshed, the Power BI goals will update automatically.